What's up guys, it is KLPRG here, and in today's video we're gonna fix the black screen issue in OBS Studio. Without further ado, let's head to the Windows Start, Settings, System, Display, Graphic Settings, and then we're gonna make sure this is classical app. You guys won't have this, so browse and follow this path right here. Yeah, okay, this path right here, just follow guys, so you guys know. And you click this, click add. Once you add, you're gonna go to options, and by system default you're gonna be here. Don't go to high performance, but go to power saving. Click save, close, right click here, remove, right click this, remove, close OBS, reopen it, add the scene, add the display capture, and it's gonna work. So voila. So thanks for watching, and sub for more videos like this and some juicy content on its way.